Hello, my friends. I hope you're having an outstanding, fabulous day. I hope you are having some fun and staying cool. And thank you all for hanging out with me. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you all for being my friends. Thank you all for being a subscriber. And if you are not, please, boom, smash that subscribe. Click on the like, click on the bell. Today, we're going to work on our tan. We are going to the beach. And of course, it's Trike Fest, Mooncool Tk1 Mania. So we are going to the beach. We got our towel, we got our sunscreen for our noggin and our nose. We got a little beach umbrella. And of course, always, we have our outdoor master bag to carry stuff for the beach. Our sunglasses and our outdoor master helmet, which I've really fallen in love with that helmet and those sunglasses. And so it is nice, a little bit of a breeze, but it's warm enough and sunny enough to get some swimming and some sun tanning. So stick around. And sunny, we're riding to town to go to the beach. Of course, we got cars behind us. They can pass, but they won't. And with the trike, I do not ride that close to the shoulder because if the rear wheel catches a ditch, you're gonna crash no matter what. Heck, you're gonna crash. You got a good chance of crashing on your regular bike if you get caught in a ditch and you don't pay attention. So yeah, so off up the hill 15 miles an hour. My UPS driver's behind me waving to me. He doesn't want to crouch me and he doesn't want to try to pass, but I can't go any faster for him. I'm maxing out the speed as it is. I could get on the sidewalk, but I just don't want to. Ooh, the front suspension just eats up that bump. Oh, my UPS man just turned. Before we go to the beach, I just wanted to see if there's any boats. And this is a free boat parking lot. This is where everybody comes and they don't want to pay money to the owner of the wellwood. They'll come here. It's free from the town. There ain't a boat in the parking lot or truck. There's not a truck or trailer nor trailer in the parking lot. And so not many people are launching from the public boat launch today, which I don't know why. It's sunny, it's warm, and it's not like too warm. And there's nobody fishing down here either. Of course, I did see one person in 19 years. I finally saw somebody catch a fish. Rare. Nice tight turning radius. Let's go to the beach. At the beach, there's actually several beaches in town. This is the most popular beach, I guess. I don't know, they're all pretty popular. Some are bigger than others. That's Phil. He owns a marina. He's trying to sell it. When I first came here 19 years ago, when I was a commissioner, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago, mayor or whatever, he was so grumpy. He was a hard ass. Not so much anymore. Nobody at the beach. Nobody at the beach today. That's good. Through the sand we go. Yeah, we do. Actually, do we want to park on the sand? Yeah, we're gonna go through the sand. You can go look at our tracks. A couple little doggies. Look, you can see our tracks. You can see our sand tracks. That TK1 didn't have any problem in this soft sand. This is what I tell you. Get out and live life. Get out. Get out and live life. Take your shirt off. Hey, I got a shirt on underneath. It's my yellow's my riding safety shirt. Get out. Ride your Mooncool Tk1 to the beach. Ride your e-bike to the beach. Get out and live life. Dig your toes in the sand. Feels good. Look how beautiful it is. Throw your towel out. Throw your towel out. Sit down, dig your feet, toes in the sand if you want, but get out and live life. That's what I preach. Yes, I'm gonna take my shirt off, put some suntan lotion on. I don't want you to see my old, fat old man body, except maybe my arms. Get out, live life. That's what an e-bike, e-trike does. It's beautiful today. Nice and sunny. Not killer heat. It's not 110 heat index. It's just a nice, peaceful day. All right, my friends, we've had enough sun for today. During the peak hours of the sun, don't stay out too long, even with lotion. I've already had slice and dice on my head, and I had some frozen stuff this year too. And now I have to go back every 6 months to the skin doctor to make sure I don't have anything happening. So get some sun, get that vitamin D, get out and live life, but be judicious with the sun. So we're just gonna ride around because it's such a beautiful day. We've got our clothes back on, our shoes back on, and we're just gonna ride around in town and live life. We have puppies at the park. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you? Cute puppy dog.
Thank you.
Puppies at the park. Hi there. All right. We should come for a crab cake. It is, it's a little later in the day, but it's still lunchtime. Of course, you can eat a crab cake anytime. Get out and live life. Can't ride a regular bicycle? E-trike. E-bike, e-trike, because it just lets you do things that you haven't done since you were a little kid. And even then, when I was young, I used to ride, it was not uncommon to ride 10 miles in a day, 15 miles in a day. But that's kind of like the max. Now, that's kind of like a short ride on the e-bike. So, that's why I tell people, e-bike, e-trike. The e-trike, for me, it's 15.5 miles an hour. I've told you before, so much slower than my other bikes. Ooh, that front fork just eats up the bumps. but it provides a different level of fun and coolness, and it's just a different type of super health food. Is it a super health food? Oh yeah. Is it different super health food than 13 miles an hour on the turn? Woo! Is it a different kind of health food than my 40-some mile an hour bikes? Yes, but it's still super health food, 100%. And if you want to pedal, you don't have to use the throttle, you can pedal, and the pedaling will get those knees moving without putting stress on your knees, unless you wanted to have it in the lower pedal assist level. And then let's let the man go. Unless you wanted to have a lot more exercise with your knees, and you can adjust the pedal assist, it can be as hard or as easy as you want. The good thing is just moving your knees is good for arthritis. Just moving your knees is good for joint pain and stiffness. So this is a little jaunt that I always take my my bikes on, because I love to hear the bells through the bumps. I love the bells. Now my friend Mickey, my mate in the UK, he hates the bells, which I love the bells. And actually most of my friends like the bells. Mickey hates the bells. I love listening to bells on horses, on wagons. I don't know what it is. Bells are magical for me. I like wind chimes too. I like to listen to the bells. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good.
There you go. Good hill. This thing has such surprisingly good torque that I have not encountered a hill yet that it could not go up. I'm just so surprised. I am so surprised that now when you're on a hill like that, you have the brakes on, and then when you're getting ready to take off, you have the brakes on, you have your pedals in traditional 1-2 o'clock pedal position for takeoff, and you turn the throttle on, and then you release the brakes, and then the throttle, and with you pushing the pedals from traditional pedal position of 1 or 2, you will not go backwards and you will just move forwards. How do I know that? I'm a 250-pound fat man, and you did not see me go backwards on that hill. And the more you ride, the better you will get. The more you ride, the better you will know your e-trike, whether it's a Mooncool Tk1 or whether it's an e-bike, Mooncool or otherwise. The more you ride, the better you become acquainted, so to speak, with your bike or trike. You'll know the distance. You'll know how far you can go with so many battery bars left. You'll know everything about it, including emergency handling, emergency stopping. So ride, ride, ride. Not only is it good for you physically and mentally and spiritually, it's good for you to get to know your bike. 12 miles an hour. I know exactly how fast I can go around turns. You will too. Ride, ride, ride. Ride, ride, ride. Get out and live life. Ride, ride, ride. That was 19 miles an hour. Stable. Rear differential. Great trike geometry. Great trike design. Up the hill. There's two dogs. There's two dogs. They're my dogs. Oscar and Jupiter. I don't want them to see me. They're gonna try to turn around and run and get me. Oh, now look, they're telling them where I am. They're looking. They're not looking at me. Oh no, they see me now. They see me. Hello, doggies. Hello, Oscar. Hello, Jupiter. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hi, oh, your noses are warm. You guys' noses are warm.
We're on our way home.
All right, my friends. We are coming home on this sunny, warmish day. I hope you all enjoyed our little beach excursion. Get out and live life. If you want a cool helmet, sunglasses, and cooler bag, outdoormaster.com. If you want a cool trike, mooncool.com. Use my code Bruce200 and save $200 on any order of $1,500. And get out and live life. Enjoy life. If you can't ride a regular bike, regular trike, get an electric bike, electric trike. I hope you enjoyed the beach. I hope you enjoyed the water. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. Get out, live life. Mooncool.com, Bruce200 to save $200. Outdoormaster.com, outdoormaster.com, Bruce10 to save 10% on any order. Thank you all for sticking with me. Thank you all for being my friends. Thank you all for being my subscriber. And if you're not, look at that beautiful flag up there. And if you're not, please, boom, smash that subscribe. Click on that like, click on the bell, share my videos, tell your friends. I love you all. See ya!